guys. So remember, this is leading, right? The support was here, which was here. They said it's coming down here, so this is leading. We're expecting price to lag. Okay. Now price is finally back at this support, so we're going to expect price to drop here and follow what this has done on the overall perspective since this area here, and that is down. There to there is down. So we're going to be expecting this to increase its move now, and everything to drop. Any price above here we treat as a discount, and any price below here we treat as a discount. Aussie and New Zealand look like this, and we are assuming this entire what looks to be an Aussie trend here to the upside will be fake. And if you look at that relative to New Zealand, let's go here. You can see that Aussie is a little stronger here, but New Zealand is lower. Let's find another one to compare it to. The only reason I put the volume on is just to expect volume to come later on. So during that buy earlier that we had, we were expecting volume to decline into New York close, obviously, and then increase. But all this volume is telling you the size of this move that we know already from looking at this move. We don't need this. We know because we can see this is low volume. You don't need this to tell you that it's low volume, but it's just for the for that perspective also. 5 minutes, hang on. See, that's roughly the same. Euro looks the weakest here. Okay. So this overall down move, I believe, is fake and in line with the higher move. That's what something like that. That's what I think is going on here. See if something's giving us a clue, a bit better clue on this local look here. 5 minutes. So I think we need to go to a different fractal now. 30 minutes. See, that's better, right? So here we got it, right? So here's your move. This is saying, the CAD is saying no to the dollar Swiss breakdown. I don't believe that this is actually going to happen. Let's try to put it. Hang on. We'll see something here. Hang on one sec. I'm just looking for the for a chart. Hang on. Where's it gone? All right, found it. See, it's back in the greens, and these numbers we were questioning last week over here somewhere when we saw them go red. But we can't use just the Swiss to get us into a conviction that it's a dollar index move, right? Um, they run the price a little lower. This is really the discount of where we should be looking to buy. But with Swiss also being a safe haven, I don't like the idea of going too crazy. I'd rather be more crazy on pound, right? Here you can see this moving average is curling up, and that's because of what's happening here. It's not because the moving averages, it's because of all this other information, this transition of price. So yeah, I mean, this was going to happen. This will be a fake cross. However you look at it, it doesn't really matter. Everything's the same thing. So anyway, what are we going to do here then? We will continue selling, loading up. We're expecting now price to drop below the original support, and then that will end up lining up coincidentally with these moving averages. They will curl around it. They will act as resistance, and Bitcoin will fall down here, and everyone will think it's because the moving averages said it's falling down. But no, that's not true. It's because the weight of the index as a whole is telling us that this is what's going to happen. That's what it is. So anyway, guys, I hope that video helped. I will follow up with with another one a little later. Cheers.